Okay, pick a white key. I'll pick this one. Make a chord out of it. That's a chord. Pick another white keys. Make a chord. Okay, pick one more. I'll pick this one. That's a C, right? Two black keys. This is a C, so I'm gonna make a chord out of this. That's a C chord. C, E, G. That makes a C chord. C, E, G. C, E, G. That's a C chord. How about make an F chord? C, D, E, F. F chord. And the notes are F, A, C. F, A, C. F chord. So basically, this is how you make a chord. Pick any white keys for now. And then skip a key and play next one. Skip a key and play next one. So 3 notes, 3 keys makes a chord for you. And that's it. That's how you make chords. Why don't you try to make a C chord yourself? So pick you know, 2 black keys. Next to it is a C. Left to the 2 black keys is C, right? So that's your C chord. How about make yourself a D chord? So you know this was C, right? So then next to it is D. So D chord would be. Sorry, it's out of range here. Okay, or you can make it here. That's your D chord. Make another one. Make me an F chord. So C, D, E, F, or next to the 3 black keys. F, A, C. How about a G chord, which is right next to it? G. And so forth.